there's enough evidence in the police report to find that he committed the offense. But this police report raises a lot of questions for the court that nobody thought to investigate to have answers. 2024 CR 012860, State versus Robert Alamon. Can I have parties announced?
Andrew Garcia, State. Roberto Ambrosino for the defense.
Are you Mr. Alamon?
Yes, yes.
Counsel, have you received all discovery and did you review that with your client?
I have.
The court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Alamon, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, yes.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge. Waiving count one, proceeding on count two. No objection.
Mr. Alamon, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Judge.
Did you understand in count two, you're charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle that's a state jail felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, Judge.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Judge.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Judge.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Judge.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Judge.
Off the record for a moment. Norma, have Ross Rodriguez to come in, please.
Yes, ma'am.
We're back on the record. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Alamon, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Judge.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Judge.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Judge.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Judge.
According to the plea, the state recommends deferred adjudication, and there's to be restitution of $765 to the complainant. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Judge.
Defense is at the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State is at the plea.
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Judge.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Judge.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
There have not.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years and there be no contact with the complainant. Did you understand that those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Judge.
Then to the offense as charged in count 2, how do you plea?
No contest.
State any evidence.
State Office Exhibit 1 and attachment. No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Judge.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Judge.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. My client is very young. He made an unfortunate decision, but I think he realizes the gravity of his mistakes. He'll do well going forward. He is working on obtaining his high school diploma. He did not finish. I don't believe he has any felony criminal history. I believe he has a couple misdemeanors. So I'd ask the court to follow plea.
All right, how old are you?
I'm 20, man.
All right, why have you not graduated from high school?
I'm working on getting my high school diploma. I'm doing a little program. I'm about to start in like a week or two when I get my ID.
No, I understand.
I had dropped out.
Why?
Just a lot of family problems and stuff.
What type of problems?
Just my dad's been sick, his kidneys been failing and all that. Just a lot of, you know what I'm saying? I have to take care of my baby sister. I have to take care of my baby sister, man. And my dad's he's sick right now in the hospital.
All right, so who else is there for your father?
I don't know. Nobody. Just us three.
All right, where's your mom?
I don't know.
All right, has Child Protective Services ever been involved in your life?
Yeah, when I was younger, but my dad always got us in custody and everything, took care of us.
All right. So do you have employment or no?
No, I'm not employment. I'm getting my ID in a week. Because as soon as I was in county for about 4.5 months, and I was a trustee, and I was working, getting my GED and all that.
All right, and how old is your sister?
My sister, she's 15.
Right. And so is everything he's telling me true?
He was in county for a significant amount of time. I was able to get him out at the 90-day mark. And then I think he did not get out because he had a pre-existing warrant on misdemeanor case. So he was in county for.
And what's the misdemeanor case?
I wasn't on that case. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I got it dismissed.
What was that?
1 time served. Assault bodily injury.
Against?
Who
was that against?
I forgot who my lawyer was. I don't know because they kept.
No. Who was the complainant in the assault case?
Oh, I don't know. Man.
What are you saying?
Oh, it was just somebody downtown random.
We didn't really discuss that.
Yeah, I got it dismissed.
Oh, it was dismissed?
Yeah, I only got 1 charge time served.
And what was that?
I think it's interfering with public duties.
Okay. All right, let's go off the record for a moment. Well, here's the problem about that was the time for him to consider that when he committed the offense. This police report, now mind you, I'm saying that there's enough evidence in the police report to find that he committed the offense, but this police report raises a lot of questions for the court that nobody thought to investigate to have answer. Thank you, State. You may be excused. All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to defer finding of guilt. The court will sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Do you have employment?
No, not yet, man. I'm waiting to get my ID. I have my ID from in a week.
All right.
As soon as I got out, after I did my time, man, I had to set up an appointment. My appointment is on May 20th.
All right. There's to be proof of employment within 45 days. No employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors. There's going to be 100 hours of community service restitution. That will be waived if he obtains his GED or if he completes some sort of trade school. There's to be restitution of $765 to Stephanie Regalado. And there's to be no contact with Stephanie Regalado. There's to be random UAs. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. There's to be no contact with Jorge Holguin, Holguin. Assuming the
Notice what the
co-defendant,
judge is doing here. She's identifying the possible co-defendant, which can be crucial in cases like this. When multiple people are involved, responsibility and influence become big questions. Was Robert leading the situation, or just following someone else's lead? What do you think, interview one?
assuming the co-defendant or the other person in this is Jorge Ovian?
Yeah, that's it.
Well, we'll see if the mother wants his case dismissed or not. All right. Probation, is there anything else?
Okay.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Judge.
Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge.
In this court to be we can go off the record, in this court to be successful on probation, communication is key. And as a 20-year-old who does not have your high school diploma yet, you got a lot on your shoulders. You have your sister on your shoulders, you have your father on your shoulder. Here's the thing, you can't get involved with people like this anymore, because if something were to happen to you and something were to happen to your father, then your younger sister, she's just gonna get caught up in the system. You understand?
Yes, Judge, I appreciate it.
So if there's something you need, let probation know. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court, okay?
Yes, Judge.
All right,
This
good
is the
luck to
turning
you.
point of the hearing. The judge gives Robert deferred adjudication a second chance, but it comes with serious responsibility. If he completes probation, he avoids a conviction. But if he messes up, he could face up to 2 years in jail. Do you think the judge made the right call?